Hello everyone, today I have one more dancing tip for you, and this is about the rotation of your shoulders in relation to your hips. In Urban Kiz we care a lot about geometry and how we move. We most of the time move in a cross, so forward, backwards, left and right. When we do moves, we try to most of the time to keep our shoulders parallel with our hips. So whatever we do, I try to not rotate my hips and keep my shoulders straight. So wherever you're facing, whatever you're trying to do, if this is my line, I try to keep my shoulders and my hips pointing at the same direction, so I don't rotate anything. And whatever other move you do, we try to do the same. So one place where I see this is crosses. If you don't know how to do a cross, you can check a link I'm going to post in this video as well, so you can learn how to do a cross. But when you do a cross, so what I see from some people do is something like this. So they turn their hips quite a lot to open up. Maybe it makes it easier to do a cross when you do this. But if you can see now, my hips are pointing that way and my shoulders that way, but my line is here. So I should not be pointing there with my shoulders and hips. I should be pointing this way with my shoulders and with my hips. So whenever you do, for example, crosses, try to contain your shoulders and your hips to point at the same line that you're doing them. For example, yes, let's go together. Yes. So try to keep your shoulders and your hips pointing at the same side as your line. So my line is this. I try to keep both of them there and not rotate. Yes? I hope you enjoyed this tip, and we'll see you next time.